Big number 5, optional deployments for development. So during your development process, you might want to run one of these helper scripts, check balances, verify setup, or verify deployment. We won't run those in this video, but you just copy those and put them in a terminal that is CD'd into your project, okay? Big number 6, optional front-end components for development. We've got some specialized test utilities. They're just quite handy. We'll do one. Let's incorporate one together. Let's do the network test. So first of all, if we look in our components, sure enough, we've cloned and have a nice network test here. You could look at that closer on your own. But if we head down to our App.js, I'm going to go to where our example is. We're going to kind of mimic how PriceChart is used. And so I'm just coming here. I'm going to maybe put a couple spaces just to isolate this in case I want to reverse it or just to make it clear to me between work sessions and so forth. So I'm going to just copy this shape of the above statement, and that's what it's called, right? Yep, network test, okay, from I'm proof that you can do this little by little, even if you can't type too well. Okay. So, all the spelling right, something felt weird in there. All right, looks good. Okay, so if we come down, I've got a marker here, add front-end helpers below. You could actually choose where you put it, but just to copy the PriceChart model there, I'm just going to copy that, come on in and paste it, and just replace the text with network test. Okay, save, and let's go see how our app has changed here. So great. It's a little dark to see, but if as you can see, I'm just going to disconnect real quick. I need to connect to a wallet, right? That's where we're going to get that information. And there's my hardhat 02266, just doing another verification. I like doing that. Okay. A little bit dark to see, but let's make it a touch brighter, but it says here network status. It's letting us know that we're on 31337, which is hardhat, that we are connected, the account number to which I'm connected, and that the provider is available. And that's just a very helpful way to know that things are wired up. Could come in quite handy during your development process. It's fun enough that let's just do one more of those. So I'm going to come and let's see which one. Let's go to let's try the StateMonitor, see what that offers. Okay, so I fixed, we're kind of going in reverse order, got it down there. I'm just going to save that real quick. And then come up to my network test and turn it to StateMonitor. Save, just do a spell check. Yep, looks good. All right, let's see what that offers. So this is great. Here's our Redux state. We've got our address, balances, okay? A lot of really good information depending on what you're doing, a lot of timestamp information. Let's see what's down here. Okay. And it's letting our blockchain information and Redux store be connected fully and that we can check that, okay? All right, so just for now, I'm going to go ahead and remove that, okay? And you can actually see I've got a slot down here that you can read as well about doing that. And I'm going to come down here and make sure we've, yeah, we're just going to delete that. Get that cleaned up a bit. Let's return. Let's do a little bit of a talk about this token faucet. Okay, this is the URDEX token faucet. The addresses are not going to match your addresses. These are the Sepolia addresses. the extent to which this is connected with URDEX is nothing more than a link and a button on the Navigation.js. And you find that in the source and then components. Okay, and in here you could take care of that button. If you want to clone the token faucet, you certainly can by going to the repository. Okay, but just be aware that I designed that token faucet so that users will be able to enjoy URDEX in the safety of the Sepolia testnet. You may be wanting to build out or continue to expand or connect to real token information. Congratulations on having your clone of URDEX up and going.